Okay, looking at this equation puzzle, remember we're not going to just plug in numbers and guess and check. We're going to actually try to look at these equations and manipulate them and combine different equations together to figure out more information. So your first hint, you're not actually going to always start with the top one. Look through all the equations and see which one you might want to begin with. And what you're going to look at here, if you need a starting hint, if you don't need one, just go ahead and go on your own. But here's the first hint. If you look at the camper, the little camper is equivalent to 2 of these signposts added together. So if you know the camper is equivalent to 2 signposts, we also see the camper down here. Now, what I want you to look at is this equation and this equation, and start to notice what they have in common. So obviously the binoculars here have to be equivalent to the binoculars here. Now the difference is, here we have the binoculars plus a signpost. Here we have the binoculars plus a camper. Now we know the camper is equivalent to 2 signposts. So you can kind of look at these 2 equations. If the binoculars plus 1 signpost is equal to 25, but the binoculars plus 2 signposts, remember we can swap these out if they're equivalent. Binoculars plus 2 signposts is 45. So if we add 1 of this thing, we get 25. If we start with the same binoculars but add 2 of it, we get 45. See if you can go from there and figure out what might you be able to do next.